Hi, my name is Bruce and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Brutal Force ABULK before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Brutal Force ABULK is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Brutal Force ABULK from, because Brutal Force ABULK is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Brutal Force ABULK and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Brutal Force ABULK works. Brutal Force ABULK providing an effect that is fairly similar to that of oxymetholone, which is the medication that the steroid is known as. There are no negative side effects, and it helps the muscles to get more oxygen during a workout without becoming fatigued. Muscle fatigue is common when this area of the body becomes incredibly exhausted, which is especially common during a workout. The supplement also promotes better muscle mass, delivering better stamina and faster recovery. To achieve these effects, users will find ingredients like long jackroot powder, acetyl-L-carnitine, and muir-apwama bark powder. Are many people having great results with Brutal Force ABULK, and you can have results as well. However, you need to know before you actually buy this product was made only for people who will follow the treatment to the letter with a clean diet and training, because only this way you can get the result that Brutal Force ABULK provides. So if you don't have focus and discipline, it is better not to buy this product, because the treatment works only if taken seriously, as it has worked for so many other people. So you should buy it only if you are going to use it consistently and regularly. Follow the treatment correctly and take advantage of the fact that the supplier offers a 100-day guarantee for you to test it, so you can decide if it really makes sense for you to keep taking it. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Brutal Force ABULK from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Brutal Force ABULK actually helps you a lot to improve your life. And if you have any questions, you can leave them here in the comments.